Dear students, class 10, JC's English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka, and I am your English faculty in front of you, Shashwati Chaudhary ma'am. Well, students, already Unit 4 going on, prose Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, let's start continuity part of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and today we will do question answers. Think about the text, page number 74. So dear students, 10th group, get ready with a simple pencil in your hand, and obviously with this I would like to give you the reminding that your textbook should be ready along with your notes and obviously your other everything's, attachment papers, etc. SSLC board, after this pandemic coronavirus, you take care of your health, not for coronavirus, for dengue, for malaria, for cholera, so many things are there. Different type of virus are in our surroundings, so you take care. Be fit and fine. I have no problem about it. Take care of your health as per doctor's advice. But the main thing is that board examination is approaching and they will take the board exam Karnataka State in the right time, giving question paper. And you will not get those question papers before exam because it is India and state is Karnataka. So no manipulation will be there. All the examiners of the state board will very strictly correct the subject-wise papers. So sitting at home, don't waste your time and energy. Online classes means more than classroom classes. So be serious about the online, all the videos. Accordingly, all the attachment papers, including question answers and other things, whatever I am sending you time to time, keep on studying and do all these things as per your best level. Well, student, see, this one, Unit 4, prose Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, continuity part. Before going to start the lesson, ready with your textbook, pencil in your hand, attachment papers, notes, etc. And be very serious about the learning part. Full boys and girls, group of 10th standard. Attention please. So follow the board. 10th, today's date is 23/11/2020. Main concept, I have already told you, national visionary. Unit 4 prose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, written and composed by this one, Sri R. Venkataraman. Who is the author? Sri R. Venkataraman. Learning points today. Think about the text and learn grammar, page 79. Think about the text, this one, your obviously page 74. Please open your textbook, page 74. Well, 10th group, get ready. Think about the text. Page 74. Open your textbook. In attachment, you will get all the answers today itself. Don't worry. So, number 1. Ambedkar had a great thirst for books when he was a student. Explained. Dr. Ambedkar had an insatiable thirst for books. Throughout his life, he was a voracious reader. Voracious reader. How did the 14th Amendment to the US Constitution and Mahatma Phule influence Ambedkar? Question 2. Answer 2. Baba Saheb came to be greatly influenced by the life and work of Mahatma Phule, the votary of a classless society and women's uplift. Number 3. There were great luminaries on the drafting committee. Dr. Ambedkar is remembered as its pilot. Give reasons for this. There were, of course, other luminaries on the committee, but if there is one person who will be remembered as the pilot of the various provisions of the Indian Constitution, it will surely be Dr. Ambedkar. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Next, number 4. Write a short note on Dr. Ambedkar's idea, perception of the 3 pillars of state. Number 4. Dr. Ambedkar had a clear perception of the mutuality of the 3 pillars of state: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The Constitution, Indian Constitution, is a fundamental document. It is a document which designs and defines the powers of the executive, judiciary, and the legislature. In fact, the purpose of a constitution is not merely to create the organs of the state, but to limit their authority. If you read Indian Constitution article wise, you will know and you will understand that there are some limitations, because in our country sometimes some people are very innocent, but as per law and order you should know the constitution. Sometimes some people are actually not innocent, but they are not in the right way, tracking their change. They are going to make foolish to the others. So how will you protect yourself? How will you save yourself? That's why so many amendments also done. It's not that only in the London Constitution amendment is there, in our country Constitution also so many amendments. Right now also so many amendments there, and it is fruitful for the country, for the Indian citizen, and obviously you should know how to protect yourself as per law and order. You should abide by law and order to save yourself. That's important in life. So what happened? The purpose of the constitution is not merely to create the organs of the state, only legislature body is there, executive body is there, judiciary body is there, but limitations should be there, and that limitations for the goodness of the Indian citizen, benefit of the Indian citizen, to create the organs of the state, but to limit their authority. That's important. After this, you see question number 5. What are the significant observations of Dr. Ambedkar on the Constitution? In an interesting observation, he, means Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, once described the methods of civil disobedience. Civil, you should not be disobedient in any country, in your motherland or in any other countries, foreign countries, even if you go for tour and visit also. If you go for service or business also, you should be abide by your law and order of that particular country where you are going. And here, when you are, as per your Aadhaar, you are Indian citizen, you are abide by to follow the law and order of the Indian Constitution. So, civil disobedience, non-cooperation. You have to always cooperate law and order. You have to always cooperate Indian Constitution. I am not telling you that you will cooperate any person. Any person, that is personal life, emotion, personal sentiment, feelings, helping attitude, different. But you should know law and order. You should abide by law and order. You should know what is Indian Constitution, article wise, what is actually fundamental rights, directive principles. Then what is actually freedom of speech? Limitations are there. Freedom of speech means whatever in your mind you can say. Law and order is there. Then you have to go to jail. But if you know how to keep the speech in front of the public, or how to respect law and order, nobody can touch you. So these are important. Dear students, go through all these matters. So in an interesting observation, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar once described the method of civil disobedience, non-cooperation and satyagraha as the grammar of anarchy. He had given the quote name, grammar of anarchy. The observation assumes importance in the context public education in free India. What the observation of dear Ambedkar here assumes? Importance in the context of public education in free India. So, India is free today. But Indian citizen, all the states around, everybody, including you, 10th group, should know what is law and order. What is Indian constitution, article wise. So these all things, limitations also you should know. You should not cross the limitations, the barrier. Then no one can help you. So you should be very disciplined in any country, in your motherland or XYZ other countries also. This much you do, and then after your study, immediately, shortly I am coming back with the continuity of the lesson. Think about the text. Thank you very much.